Hello everybody, this is Dr. Daniel and Dr. Jenny from Spinal Corrective Center. I just wanted to give you a look at the table so you can see what Dr. Jenny does and we do when we adjust patients. So as you can see right there, the patient Leah is just laying down and Dr. Jenny is checking the leg length. The purpose behind that is because showing just the difference in the lengths of the legs can point to different areas of the body where there's tension along the spine. And just comparing side to side, and then when she crosses the leg over, that helps the adjustment of that low back area go smoother. And you can see the table lifted up underneath. Dr. Jane just did a gentle drop, and then the force of the adjustment combined with the drop of the table helps the adjustment to set and hold better. She's then just checking the motion of the legs there at the low back. The legs really do give a good indication of tension throughout the body. Then doing some motion there, just checking the different muscles, the motion of the segments, tightness. Just being very specific, very systematic as she goes up. There she's just making sure that any of the posteriority of the segments is corrected. Doing a gentle stretch there just to help loosen things up, make sure the rib cage is moving well, comparing side to side. And a lot of times throughout the back there as you do adjustments, we have the patients take a deep breath in and then breathe it all the way out, which helps to assist, once again, with just making sure the adjustment goes through and holds. Then the headpiece lifts up, just like under the low back, and then nice, gentle drop right through there. Once again, the drop just helps with the adjustment. And this other technique right here is a toggle technique. Headpiece lifted up again, and then a very gentle drop right there. It's very specific right there in the cervical area. Then a lot of times we like to follow up with patients seated, just to check the different motion. And just a gentle nudging of the bone back into its proper place.
Thank you.
All right, well, be well everybody.